Hi everyone, my name's Carolyn and I'm your host for this week's podcast. Welcome back to the PLP Press. We're bringing you a full rundown of the biggest stories and events from this past week. First up, we have Maddie, who's kicking us off with a report on all things sports. If you missed any of the game day action or scores, she's got you covered.
Welcome back to PLP Press. My name is Madison Harris, and we're back with some weekly sports. Last Friday, we played CCK in football. Unfortunately, we did not get the score we wanted of a score of 14-41 loss, but our team played their hearts out. Our next upcoming football game is against Lincoln Charter as our homecoming game, so make sure you show out with all your pink to support. Our girls tennis team played in regional finals, and our own PLP students, Madison Oots and Mallory All, went against each other with a win of Mallory All winning states. So congrats to her. Our boys team has a game on October 22nd, and it's their senior night. So make sure and go support them and wear your best jersey. This is all we have for this week's news, and my name is Madison Harris, and we'll see you next week for some more news. PLP Press out.
Thank you, Maddie. Next up, we have Bella, who is going to be talking about the pep rally. On to you, Bella.
Hey PLP Press, get ready to show your ultimate school spirit. This Friday, October 24th, we are holding our massive, fun-filled pep rally. This will start by watching the parade that walks around the school. Tons of Pine Lake's very own sports and clubs will be recognized, so make sure you're ready to cheer. Remember to wear your class colors and show your pride for your grade. Freshmen wear black, sophomores wear white, juniors wear blue, and seniors wear pink. All grades will be in separate sections of the ACC wearing these individual colors. There will be several exciting performances, spirited games, and many activities you won't want to miss. The pep rally is always a time to look forward to, and it promises to be a very fun event for everybody. Remember that the class schedule will look a little bit different that day, so follow up with your teachers to find out specific class times. Make sure to be at the ACC to cheer on our students and join in on the exciting afternoon. Let's make this the most spirited pep rally that we can.
Thank you, Bella. I'm super excited. Next up, we have Brooklyn, who is going to be talking about the homecoming dance this weekend. Off to you, Brooklyn.
Hey everyone, it's Brooklyn. Let me tell you a little something about homecoming this October 25th. This year's homecoming, theme Fire and Ice, is at the Charles Mack Center. It will begin around 7 and go to about 9:30. The homecoming court crowning ceremony will take place Friday during the football game at halftime. Voting occurs on Wednesday to Friday, and the candidates are Maddie Harris, Jordan Lawrence, Mia Reeves, Mia Claire Basinger, and Phoenix Myers. Be sure to tune into tonight's Huddle stream to catch the homecoming football game where PLP takes on Lincoln Charter, and stick around for the halftime ceremony to see who wins.
Thank you, Brooklyn. I'm so excited and I can't wait to dance and be with my friends. Next up, we have Ellie, who's going to be talking about this week's Spirit Week, which is currently still in session. Take it away, Ellie.
Hello, my name is Ellie Cox, and I'm here to tell you about this week's Spirit Week. Monday is Pajama Day. Tuesday is Country Club versus Country. Wednesday is Orange Out for Unity Day. Thursday is holidays. 9th grade, Easter. 10th grade, St. Patrick's Day. 11th grade, Valentine's Day. 12th grade, 4th of July. Friday is Wear Your Class Colors. 9th grade, black. 10th grade, white. 11th grade, blue. 12th grade, pink. Thank you for listening. Have a great rest of your week.
Thank you so much. It's been so fun to participate so far. Lastly, we have Brody, who's going to be talking about Unity Day.
Hello, my name is Brody Oak, and I'm here today to tell you about National Unity Day. As you may have noticed, on Wednesday you got to wear orange clothes, and that's because of Unity Day. Unity Day is a holiday held every third Wednesday of October, which celebrates kindness, acceptance, and standing up against bullies. So to all those who wore orange on Wednesday, thank you. Alright, that's all for me for now. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Brody. I think Unity Day is so important, and I'm so glad our school got to express that. Well, everyone, that's all for this week's podcast. Thank you for listening in, and we will see you next week. Bye!